For reasons known only to Microsoft, they decided to remove the guest account from Windows 10. As of July 2015, starting with build 10159, this feature is gone from Windows 10, without much of an explanation from Microsoft. Even though this feature is removed from Windows 10, you will find several websites promising multiple ways of enabling the guest account in Windows 10. By the way, what is the guest account in Windows? First and foremost, it is important that you understand what a guest account is and how it is different from standard local user accounts. As explained in this guide, the guest account is a particular local user account with very limited permissions. It has the following restrictions: 1. It doesn't have a password and passwords cannot be set for it. 2. It cannot install apps, desktop apps or hardware devices. 3. It can use only the apps and desktop programs that were installed on your PC or device when the guest account was enabled. 4. It cannot change its account type, name or picture. 5. It cannot change the settings of other user accounts. 6. It cannot access the libraries and user folders of other user accounts. 7. It can create files only on the desktop and its user folders. It cannot create folders and files anywhere else on your PC or device. 8. The guest user account can be enabled or disabled only by an administrator. Unfortunately, this feature is available on Windows 7, Windows 8.1 but not on Windows 10. There are many ways to enable the guest account, but in this tutorial I will show you the easiest and best solution that involves opening the Local Security Policy Editor or GPEdit. Now, click on the search icon or button from the taskbar and type GPEdit, to open Local Group Policy Editor. From the left pane, select Computer Configuration, Windows Settings, Security Settings, Local Policies, Security Options. Then from the right pane, find and open the policy named Accounts Guest Account Status. Select Enabled and click Apply and OK to enable it. Then from the left pane, click on User Rights Assignment and search for a policy that says, Deny Logon Locally. Select Guest. Click on Remove button and tap Apply and OK to have it disabled. So that's it, you can restart the computer and log on to your guest account.